Hello, in this video tutorial, you're going to learn 10 ways to use ChatGPT to make money as a developer. Let's dive deep. Before we start this video, what in the world is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is a powerful natural language processing tool that allows you to create chatbots, generate automated content, and develop interactive chatbot-based apps. In this video, we're going to be exploring how you as a developer can utilize this tool to create chatbots and hopefully grow your business and turn that into income. With that being said, let's explore the 10 ways you as a developer can make money using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool developed by OpenAI. Let's get started. Alright, so the very first skill that will make you income by using ChatGPT as a developer is to create chatbots for businesses. Many businesses are using chatbots to communicate with customers and streamline their operations. Okay, as a ChatGPT user, you can create chatbots that handles businesses, especially customer support. Now, have you ever been on a website and let's say you try to contact support and the first thing you meet is a chat bot instead of a human being replying or responding to your inquiries? Well, that's what I'm talking about. It's all about being creative, using your skills to build support chat systems, auto responders, messaging apps. These are all ways you can use ChatGPT to make money out of. You can also offer this as a service on platforms like Hoodly, Fiverr, Upwork, and build scripts for them if only you know how to do it. And you're watching this video because you're already a developer. That's why you're watching this video. So this is an idea, a great idea for you. So go ahead and think over it, how you can build something like WordPress scripts that supports your chatting system. You can sell this on CodeCanal and Envato Teams and make money out of it. Okay, so that's number one, creating chat systems that supports or handle business inquiries. Next on my list is developing chatbot based games and quizzes. Okay, so you can develop a chat bot games that will help children solve basic problems using gaming, quizzes, and this can even help in solving what we call mental issues. Games are very powerful and you can also monetize your product through gaming. We use games to communicate to the world and also quizzes. Okay, so this is also another way you can make money doing, that is developing chat-based games. Next on my list is you can also develop chat-based language learning tools. Okay, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbot-based language learning tools that allows users to practice and improve on their new skills through interactive conversation with your platform. Think of something like Google Translator. Okay, so you can create a translator that helps people translate one language from one language to the other using ChatGPT. And right now ChatGPT is capable of translating languages. So you can look into their APIs and then build your own apps and then implement it onto your own applications, where users will be able to practice through interactive ways. Another way to make income from ChatGPT is to develop chatbot-based personal assistants. As a developer, with their integrations onto your application, you'll be able to develop apps that help users do their day-to-day works, and that is personal assistance. Another way to make money with ChatGPT as a developer is to develop chatbot-based career or business coaching tools. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbot-based career or business coaching tools that allow users to receive guidance, feedback, and support as they work to achieve their goals. With ChatGPT API integrated onto your platform, a platform you are building as a developer, you will be able to help users track their progress regarding their business goals. Okay, so that's it. That's another way you can make money out of ChatGPT. Another way to make money through ChatGPT is to develop chatbot-based educational resources. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create educational resources that allow students to access learning materials, get help with their assignments, and receive feedback on their progress. So this is another easiest way to make money via ChatGPT, if only you have the skills to do it, by implementing the API onto your own app and then ship it to students, and students will use it or purchase it to track their learning progress. So that's another way you can make money with ChatGPT as an AI tool developed by OpenAI. Next up, another way to make money through ChatGPT is developing relationship or dating resources. You can build dating resource using ChatGPT that allows users to receive dating advice, support, tips for navigating romantic relationships. Okay, very simple and self-explanatory. Okay, all right, let's continue. On my list, which is the 8th one, is another way you can make money through ChatGPT, which is creating chatbot-based financial resources. Okay, very self-explanatory. With ChatGPT, you'll be able to create chatbot-based financial resource that allows users to get help with budgeting, saving, and investing. This is all about finance. Okay, so that's one way to make money through ChatGPT. Let's continue by looking at the 9th point, which is developing a chatbot-based self-improvement tools. You can use ChatGPT's API to create a chatbot-based self-improvement or personal development tools that allow users to set and work towards their goals, track their progress, and receive support and motivation. So look into it to see how you can build a chatbot-based self-improvement or personal development tools for users to track their progress. Before we continue this video, let's thank the sponsors for today's video. Hoodly is an online freelancing marketplace where you can register and sell your digital services. It's free. Go ahead and sign up on Hoodly. Hoodly looks new, but it's growing rapidly. What are you waiting for? There are a lot of sellers here on Hoodly who are already occupying the front page of Hoodly. Don't wait until the front page or the home page is occupied. Get your services listed right now and you will never regret it. Next, which is the last point, is to create chatbot-based tutorial or courses. You can create a course and then sell it to people, other developers who might need the know-how on how to implement these APIs and build their own apps just like you did, or even create a YouTube channel and make tutorial videos teaching people how to use ChatGPT's APIs to build bots. As you can see, there are many opportunities for developers to make money using ChatGPT. Whether you are creating chatbot scripts for businesses, generating automated content, or developing interactive chatbot-based apps, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you earn money and grow your business. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities of ChatGPT and find ways to make money using this amazing tool. See you later.